Are you tired of sweating through those hot summer nights because your bedroom just won't stay cool? If you are looking for a simple, effective way to beat the heat without breaking the bank, this 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner is exactly what you need. First, it is a true 3-in-1 powerhouse. It cools, acts as a fan, and dehumidifies, meaning you get a more comfortable and healthier room environment all in one compact unit. Second, the mobility is incredible. With 360-degree swivel casters and sturdy side handles, you can roll it from your home office to your bedroom in seconds, ensuring you are only cooling the space you are actually using. Finally, the installation is frustration-free. It comes with a complete window kit and exhaust hose that fits most windows, so you can have it up and running in minutes, not hours. Don't wait until the next heat wave hits. Grab yours now at the link below. Supplies are moving fast and seasonal demand is high, so secure your comfort today while it is still available.